Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to prevent specific contacts from seeing your birthday on Telegram web using the latest update. Maybe you want to keep things a bit more private, or just control who gets birthday reminders. Either way, I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step walkthrough. First, open Telegram web on your computer and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. Click on them to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This is where all your account customization options are located. After entering Settings, click on Privacy and Security. This section lets you manage who can see your personal info, including your phone number, last seen, and now your birthday. Next, scroll down until you find the birthday option and click on it. You'll see different privacy options here. Choose My Contacts. This means only people on your contact list can see your birthday. But we're going one step further. If there are specific contacts you don't want to share your birthday with, click on Never Allow. This feature lets you manually select the users you want to exclude. Now, choose the contacts you'd like to hide your birthday from. Take your time and mark those names carefully. Once you finish selecting, click Confirm to save your preferences. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Telegram web privacy settings.